Hello and good day. My name is Ahmad Kamal Zulfikar bin Kamaruzaman, matrix number DF220110. Today, my friends and I from Group 9 will present our group project. Our group consists of 5 members, which is Ahmad Farhan, me Ahmad Kamal, Muhammad Hazim, Ivy Nabila, and Shamsul Kamal.
Hello, my name is Shamsul Kamal bin Abubakar. I will present about the introduction, which is the earthwork in road construction entails removal and disposal of material. As for introduction of the background study, is specified the earthwork volume management historically, technically and practically would be useful in current and future road construction. And the problem statement of our project is the issue of concerning earthwork is mainly focused on calculation of the volume of work done for the amount of soil, rock, excavation, and filling required along alignment for road construction. And lastly is the objective of this project, which is to identify the problem related to civil engineering in real life. To apply, second is to apply the knowledge about mathematics using numerical integration to solve a problem statement. And lastly, to estimate and lastly is to estimate the most accurate area of cut and fill in road construction. That's all from me. Thank you.
I know Hazrul Ivy Nabila. Right now, I want to explain about literature review. As we can see in the slide, there is a two formula that we can use, which is for Simpson 1 over 3 rule and Simpson 3 over 8 rule. But the differences between these two formula is 1 over 3 rule is n must more than 2, which is must be a even number. But for Simpson 3 over 8 rule is must be a multiple of 3.
Hi, for the methodology part, we have filler table. There are 4 important elements in filler table, which is fact, ideas, learning issues, and action. For the fact, we have 3, which is civil engineer must address site-specific issues using accurate and appropriate calculation. The second one is to perform cut and fill operation in highway construction, and the last one is accurately forecast and minimize cost for subgrade construction. And for the ideas, we have to establish the method for calculating the cut and fill area in highway construction, and then calculate the cut and fill area from the formation level up to 35 meters, and we apply numerical integration to address the problem. For the learning issues, there are the process of calculating the cut and fill areas in highway construction using Simpson's rule, the necessity of using a combination of Simpson's rule to solve this problem, and the effectiveness of this calculation and addressing and solving the cut and fill work on site. For the action, we only have 2, which is utilize Simpson's rule, which is Simpson's 1 over 3 and Simpson's 3 over 8 rules. And the last one is consult numerical methods such as textbooks and other examples to determine the most effective calculation method.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hazim Rahman. So for the calculation, first thing first, we have to find the H using N7, B 35 and A is 0. So to find the H, we have to integrate the equation, which is square root 4 plus 6x cubic dx with 0 to 35 to find the H, which is 5. So for the calculation for Simpson's 1 over 3 rule, so first thing first, Simpson's 1 over 3 rule is to find the odd and even number. So for the start and end, which is 0 and 20, we got the 2 and 219.0982. And for the odd, we got from the SI 5 and 15, while for the even, we just only got the 10. And we have to total all the FOFN, odd and even. So next, we have to use the formula for Simpson 1 over 3 rule, which is this, and we got the answer is 1758.6193.
Okay, next I will present about the calculation for Simpson 3 over 8 rule. Firstly, we will calculate the value by drawing a table. Then we will enter the value from the table into the formula to calculate the total area of cut and fill. As we know, the difference between Simpson 1 over 3 rules and Simpson 3 over 8 rule is that the n value. For Simpson 1 over 3 rule, we use n equal to even number, while for the Simpson 3 over 8 rule, we use n equal to multiple of 3. Since we use combination of Simpson rule, our SI will start with 20 to continue the calculation of Simpson 1 over 3 rule that we have calculated before. And for the last one, to get the total area of cut and fill from 0 to 35 meters, we will sum up all the calculation that we have calculated before for Simpson 1 over 3 rules and Simpson 3 over 8 rules, so that we will get 8,435.6066 meters square for total area of cut and
For
fill.
the discussion, the answer yields a total cut and fill section area of 8,435.6066 meters squared. This measurement is more precise when both calculating methods are employed. In order to achieve a more accurate estimation of the area beneath a curve, we are now focused on enhancing our methodologies. When using Simpson rule, we will estimate each segment of the curve by utilizing parabolas. This method is highly efficient, as evidenced by its superior accuracy in comparison for the other numerical methods we have encountered. Furthermore, the result of an alternative methodology that we have experimented with demonstrate transparency that indicate its accuracy and correctness. In addition, it is advisable to employ the most precise result to prevent any inaccuracies in the total area of the cut and fill section. This can be achieved by utilizing the outcome that exhibit the highest level of precision. By employing the triple-sided rule, Simpson 1 over 3 rule and Simpson 3 over 8 rule, which have previously discussed, we can demonstrate numerical integration to determine the strategy with the lowest error value among the various methods considered in our computation.
Hi, my name is Shamsul Kamran bin Abu Bakar, and I will present about the conclusion of this project. In conclusion, the project of earthwork volume calculation to arriving at the most accurate estimation by applying efficiency method like the trapezoidal rule and Simpson 1/3 rule and also Simpson 3/8 rule. It accurately predicts the total area of cut and fill section to be at 8,435.6066 square meter. And this approach helped to avoid mistake in calculation and also explain the effectiveness of Simpson's rule in using parabolic approximation. And this result us to support the continuous improvement of road construction procedures by guaranteeing that earthwork operations are carried out effectively, sustainably, and in accordance with legal requirements. That's all from me.